watching Cash Explosion, the show where every player walks away thousands and thousands of dollars richer. No strategy, no questions, just guaranteed money. It's pretty much one big party. Am I right, audience? This is a good audience.
It is. And speaking of parties, if you joined us at our Steubenville Road Show earlier today, we would love for you to share your photos with us on social media. Be sure to tag the Cash Explosion Show and hashtag Road to Riches 2019.
Thank you to everyone who came out to support the show and the kickoff of our annual Facing Hunger food drive. We hope you guys had a blast.
And you know what? If you couldn't make the trip, we'll let it slide just this one time. But let's just say, if we do another road show, what do you think, David?
Yeah.
Next year?
Yes, we can make that happen.
Oh, okay, then it's settled. Next year's road show, you all have to be there.
Absolutely.
Do you think that you can convince
I'll be there.
them to let us do the show in Hawaii?
No, they're not going to let us do the show in Hawaii.
Why?
It's Ohio lottery, Elisa.
Whatever.
You whatever.
All right, anyways, let's get the game started, shall we?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Sorry, please don't be mad at me.
I still want to do the Hawaii.
Tonight's contestants represent towns across Ohio and beyond.
But they're all headed to one destination, the Spotlight.
You ready for this?
I'm ready.
I'm excited. It's a fun audience. Great group of contestants. Starting off with David S. David, come on up. Jump on in here. All right, so we got to do this first. We send out like questionnaires to our contestants, and we just ask them some fun facts. We asked you to 3 words that describe yourself, and you sent back. Do you remember what you wrote?
Yeah.
What'd you write?
Sexy senior citizen from Dayton, Ohio.
Sexy senior citizen.
Hey, we asked, right?
That is fantastic.
I'm only 80 years old.
You're only 80 years old?
Yes.
Fantastic. You're hanging in there. Bringing sexy back right here. You ready to win some money?
Tall money.
Okay, let's see how you do. 1, 3, 5. Lock them in. All right, David, here we go. We can start the show with what's behind the 1. What's there?
Bonus.
I don't know if you guys are paying attention. I guess that's all it takes. Just talk to the board. David, spin around here. Spotlight is lit up. Hit one of the letters in Spotlight.
That's the day it sounded.
All right, turn it back around.
Oh.
What is behind the S? What are we doubling? 2,300. You start off with $4,600, David.
That is a great
job.
start. What's behind 3?
Bonus.
$3,100.
It's good. And behind the 5,
Bonus.
2,700. David, you're up over 10,000. You got $10,400. Head on over to the leader zone. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Right over here. I said head right over here. Oh yeah. Paul, come on up. Paul, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. So, what's it like being on Cash Explosion?
Wonderful.
Yeah?
Took me 32 years to get here, but I finally made it.
Nice.
Took
Plan from
one
the beginning?
ticket. All it takes is one time.
That's
right.
right. It's absolutely right.
Keep trying.
Let's pick your numbers. 7. Somebody picked that for you. 13 and 19. All right, locked in. All right. Here we go, Paul. He's hollering for a double. What's behind the 7? 2,600. Keep talking. Keep talking.
All right.
What's behind
Get the double.
13? $2,000.
We need bigger money.
Yeah, you get
Money. Yeah. What's behind the 19? 3,200. All right, Paul, here's the deal. 7,800. Head on over to the leader zone. We will find out what happens. Okay. All right.
Congratulations. All right, 2 players down. We still have a lot more money to give away. We're doing that coming up.
So welcome back. So Elisa and I were talking a little earlier before the show about how last weekend in October is all things Halloween. Costumes, decorating, trick-or-treat, scary movies. Are you dressing up this year?
Oh, I'm dressing my son up as Snoopy.
Okay.
Me too.
That's
I
awesome.
should be Woodstock. That would be really cute.
No, he should be Woodstock. Woodstock's smaller. So
No,
you're
I already bought
Snoopy.
the Snoopy costume. It's okay. Are you dressing up for Halloween?
No, here's the deal. My wife's birthday is on Halloween. So we have birthday parties instead of Halloween. We could I guess we could combine the two.
Yeah,
I just have
combine
it. What should I be?
You should be, well, you're already dressed like you're, doing the outdoor thing. Maybe do something along the lines of that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have
Probably
an
just go with
answer
the
for that.
birthday party. Probably just go with the birthday party.
But you know what? We want to know what you guys are wearing, so be sure to share your favorite costume on our Facebook page. You can share it of your kids or yourself. We want to see your costumes this Halloween for sure.
Right. I think we've made our next player wait long enough, so let's bring him up. Jack, come on up here. Jack, how you doing?
Good. Yeah, all right.
Hit the jackpot.
I like it.
I don't get it.
Okay. And what is
I get it.
number 11 on the cards, Jack?
Okay, yes.
There you go.
Yeah, that's right. The 11th card in the deck. Does that mean you're picking 11?
One of them.
Okay. Let's see. Here we go. 20. 4. And there it is, the 11. So, Jack, which Jack would you be? Club, heart, spade, or diamond?
Diamond.
You're the Jack of diamonds? I
like
like it.
it.
What's behind the 20? $3,000.
And show us what's behind 4.
Double.
$2,400.
Come on. This
Bonus.
11 represents the Jack of diamonds. This Jack of diamonds right here. He wants a bonus. He wants double.
Bonus.
What's there? 3,300. All right, Jack, 8,700 is enough to move you into second place. Head on over. And David B, come on up. Hey there. How you doing? All right. So how about you? What's it like being here?
It's great. It's fantastic. Now, I have to tell you, I have to say hi to my Aunt Wilma.
Okay.
I was down there when I found out that I was drawn. She's the one who told me what numbers to pick.
Nice.
Okay.
So she's like second mother to me, so you know how that is. I have to pick
Yeah.
the number she told
Do
me.
you know why she picked these numbers? Can you give us a story behind them as you pick them?
Well, it's her birthday.
Okay. Oh, great.
It's her birthday.
Nice,
It's
lucky day.
9/17.
So are you sharing money with her or just the numbers she's picking?
Let's not get crazy.
Pick the birthday, David. September 1st of 07?
9/17.
Oh, 9/17. Okay. So what's behind the 9?
Let's have a bonus or a double. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Whoa! You may have to do a little something for
I'm gonna
that.
have to buy steak or something.
All right. So look at this bonus board. The bonus board. 16 of the top Ohio Lottery games. Hidden behind there, anything from 10,000, which is incredible money, to 50,000, which is also incredible money. Which one do you think hides the most?
You know, I saw that Mad Money. I thought, let's go with Mad Money.
Mad money.
Mad Money.
Mad money. I think the louder the crowd is, the audience is, the better the money is. Right? You guys hear that? What's behind Mad money? Here we go.
Yeah.
2, 4, 6, 8, $10,000. Just like that.
Just like that. Great.
Wow. We're gonna move that over to the big board. So we haven't even really started the game other than the 10,000 bonus that you've already won.
That's
so
great.
What's behind the 9? $2,400.
All right.
And we're adding to that total with what's behind 1.
Let's have a double. Oh.
$2,100.
All right, we need bigger behind the 7. What's there?
Let's have a double. Oh.
$3,300. Right now, David, you sit at $17,800. We will see you in the second chance. Your game is not over. All right, congratulations.
Congratulations. Awesome. We are seeing a trip to the bonus board. Maybe we'll see some more doubles coming up. And you know, I changed my mind. You should do the hairband, the 80 hairband thing again. Yes, do that for Halloween. That would be awesome. Not that, though. We'll be right back.
Hairband.
Welcome back to the show. Next up to win the lottery is Michelle. Michelle, come on up. Michelle, welcome to the spotlight. David is cracking up right here. What is wrong with you?
Who's got the sign that says, "Good luck, Michelle," even though I don't like you?
That's my brother-in-law.
That might be my favorite sign I've ever seen in this crowd.
We have a love-hate relationship.
I see. Well, I think it's mostly love. He's here to see
Yes.
you win lots of money, so that's good. Now, here, if you win a lot of money here tonight, what are you going to do with your winnings?
Well, get a bigger vehicle.
Nice.
We adopted 6 children.
6 children. That's amazing.
They're all siblings.
Okay. Awesome. They're all here, too. Oh, look at the baby.
That is awesome.
That is awesome. Well, let's see you win lots of money for that vehicle, Michelle.
Definitely.
All right, let's do it. 7, 10, and 17. All right, turning here to the big board. How do you start your game? What's behind 7? $2,100.
Come on, I want to see you win big money for a bigger vehicle. What's behind the 10? Double. Michelle, turn around here, hit a letter in spotlight. H. Whatever's behind the H, we are doubling. What's behind the H? 3,000 becomes $6,000.
Already moving up in our leaderboard. We have more money to give you behind 17. What's there?
Bonus.
$3,200. Michelle, that's $11,300. Congratulations. You can have a spot in our leader zone.
It just makes me laugh because he had to think, all right, should I write? Should I write? Even though I don't like it, yeah, I'm going to take it and put it on TV. That's hysterical to me.
Next up is Faye. Come on up, Faye. She said my hands are cold. I am very cold all the time, Faye. Thank you so much for being here. We're so excited for you. Now, you've got some friends and family here in the audience as well.
Yes, they do.
Yeah, now you told us in the back that you don't want to embarrass your kids out here, but man, me and David
Come on,
really
we
want
really
you
want
to
you to
do
embarrass
it.
your kids.
I would embarrass them.
How much is it going to take for you to embarrass your kids?
A few thousand.
A few thousand. You heard her. A few thousand.
A few thousand. All right, Faye. Well, let's see what it takes. You can pick your 3 lucky numbers. 19, 4, and 2. All right. At least $10,500 will get you into our leader zone. What's behind 19? $2,100.
All right. We need more dancing money. What's behind the 4? $2,800.
All right, we need big money behind 2. I hear you asking for a bonus. Is that what's behind 2? $2,300 will pay. That's $7,200. Congratulations. We'll see you in a second chance.
See you in a second chance. There's still hope to see you dance.
Next up to win the lottery is Nancy.
Nancy.
Nancy, welcome to the spotlight. Now, if you win big money here tonight, what are you going to do with your winnings?
Well, I'd like to help my granddaughter pay off her student loans.
Oh, great. I love that. What a nice grandmother. That's awesome. All right, Nancy, well, let's see you win. 5. Oh, hit your number again. 5, 10, and 16. If you like those numbers, hit that big lock button. All right. 16, 10, and 5. Those are your numbers. What's behind 16?
Double, double.
$3,400.
Good start. What's behind the 10?
Bonus.
$3,100. Be another close one.
To be close, what's behind 5?
Bonus.
$3,300. Nancy, that's $9,800. Congratulations. We'll see you in the second chance game.
Congratulations, Nancy. One player left to go, and then on to the second chance, and then on to the cash challenge. Still a lot of winning to happen. Don't go away.
Welcome back. Our last player of the night is Billy. Come on up, Billy.
Joseph, give him some money. Roger, Rosanna, my wife Beth, and Craig and his wife for Connie Construction. Peace out.
Nice.
Hi, guys.
All right, Billy, pick your numbers. 2, 12, 18. All right, David S. is pretty nervous over there because if you can get more than him, you're going to the cash challenge. What's behind 2?
Bonus.
$2,800.
All right. Behind the 12.
Try 2 times.
2,600. One shot left
Take
on
it.
the board.
Good.
We need big money behind 18. A
Bonus,
double would be great,
bonus.
maybe a bonus. What's behind 18? $3,300. Billy, that's $8,700. Congratulations.
Don't get too comfortable. We got a second chance coming up. That's it. The first part of the night is over. Michelle and David both winning. We've got to double their totals. Michelle, look at that, $22,600. David, $20,800. They will face our defending champion, and then one of those 6 after the second chance. We'll find out who goes. Don't go away.
Tonight's winning numbers and the winners of a spot on the December 21st Cash Explosion Show are coming your way live from the Ohio Lottery Studios in Cleveland. Good luck. One of you is about to claim another $5,000 plus earn a trip to the Cash Challenge. Let's find out who it is. Up first, Paul. The A. Locked it in. All right, up next is Jack. Oh, locked it in. David. S, locked it in. Faye, come on up, pick a letter. E. All right, and Nancy, come on up. The C. And finally, Billy, come on up. The C. All right, now it's time to find out who is going to the Cash Challenge. David D., your luck continues. You've been given a second chance to play for $50,000 in the Cash Challenge. Congratulations.
The name we see 3 times will be tonight's champion, Travis. As defending champion, you will pick first. Where do you think your name's hidden?
Trial 6.
6. Who's behind the 6? David S. All right, Michelle, where's your name?
Number 8.
Number 8. David B. All right, David S.
1.
Number 1. Who's behind the 1? Travis. Returning the favor. David B. Where's your name?
5.
I believe it's behind number 5. Travis. Travis, if you could find your name right now, you win another $50,000. $11? Travis thinks his name is behind 11. Is he right? Has he won another $50,000? Show us. Michelle, you're on the board, Michelle.
7.
Number 7, who's behind 7? Michelle. All right, David S. Your name or the other David would keep the game going.
4.
Number 4. Who's behind 4? Do we have a champion? David S. David, at this point, you got to find your name. If you don't find your name, you find a champion.
Number 3.
Number 3. Does the game continue? Who's behind 3? David B. Travis, this is it. You are going to pick our champion tonight. We've got 4 numbers left up there. Behind one of them is going to be our champion. Who is it? 12, there's a 25% chance that you found your name. Who is our champion? Who's walking away with $50,000? Yeah! B! Yeah! Second chance! David Grislin of Ashland, Kentucky, you are tonight's champion. You win $50,000. We're coming back next week to play for more.
Awesome.
That's all the time we have tonight. Be sure to tune in next week to watch part 1 of our Steubenville Roadshow.
Have a fun and safe Halloween. Good night.
David, congratulations.